阿富汗女性的政治人物总伫联合国要求国际社会，伫面对塔利班政权压迫女性和查某囡仔时，应该要有愈侪行动。美国影后梅丽史翠普嘛出席活动来收听。
美国影后梅丽史翠普23伫咧联合国活动，声援阿富汗女性时阵讲法正大。
And today in Kabul, a female cat has more freedoms than a woman. A cat may go sit on her front stoop and feel the sun on her face. She may chase a squirrel into the park. A squirrel has more rights than a girl in Afghanistan today because the public parks have been closed to women and girls.
梅丽史翠普讲，连鸟仔拢会当快乐地唱歌，阿富汗女性煞袂使。中国嘅塔利班政权以消除恶习、弘扬美德为理由，颁布新的法令，禁止女性伫咧公共场所发出声音，面也袂使互人看到。联合国秘书长古提瑞斯表示，阿富汗女性甲查某囡仔正面临着性别歧视抑个压迫嘅深切嘅危机，要互妇女受教育，要互因担任领导角色嘅就业机会，无成立因嘅权利甲自由，阿富汗将会永远无法度伫国际舞台得到因应该有嘅地位。
Including speaking in the public, to see their voices are represented. The Secretary General of the UN listens to it. The ministers listens to it, and we have celebrities. I think it's a small sign of hope that is created for the women.
这场活动是由爱尔兰、印尼、瑞士加卡达的常驻代表团，加阿富汗妇女论坛共同举办。有几多位捌伫咧阿富汗政坛做过事的女性政治人物做阵参加。妇女事务部前任的部长萨拉比，塔利班第一遍掌权了后，阿富汗重建的改革人士。外交部人权加妇女国际事务司前任司长瓦达克。阿富汗前任的外交官、人权活动人士、妇女活动人士，抑个阿富汗下议院前副议长库菲，因拢真有能力无私予男性，也知影讲家己国家的女性同胞，做卖处境是愈来愈害。公司新闻黄文玲编译。